Today, we are going to convert this boring data into a stunning dashboard like this, and this. And I'm going to show you a simple but powerful way of creating dashboards and something that no other tutorial will share with you. But the best part is this video is going to change the fundamental way for you to build dashboards. And if you look at the options that we have in this dashboard, you can change the data, you can refresh the data, and you can also save a snapshot to share it with others without sharing the actual data. So let's start the video. And now to build this dashboard, we are going to use Claude AI. And if you don't have the paid version, that's completely fine. You can use the free version, and even you can use ChatGPT for this. We just need to have a proper prompt and you are good to go. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll go to my desktop, and here I have this data file where I have the raw data. And when I open this file, you can see here I have these few columns, and the most important part here is the sales amount, quantity, product and customer name, and even the dates. So we have just specific columns here. Let me just close this data from here, and then I'm going to go to my Claude window and I'm going to drag this file here. So our file is uploaded, and now the next thing is to write the prompt. And here I have my prompt, and this prompt is quite in detail and have every single instruction that we want to give to Claude for building this dashboard. And if you want to build this dashboard for yourself, you can just change all the details that I have marked here in this prompt, and then you are good to go. So I'm going to take this prompt from here, completely copy it from here, and I'm going to go to my Claude window and I'm going to paste it here. So my file is here, my prompt is here. Let me hit enter and see what I'm going to get in return. The Claude will take at least 2 to 3 minutes to give you this dashboard in return with all the files that we have demanded in our prompt. All right, so here we have all the files from Claude, and let me just download these files one by one. And here I have all these 3 files on my desktop, and now let's open these files. So first of all, I'll open the HTML where I have the dashboard, and here right now I can't see anything. There is no chart, nothing. So what I'll do, I'll click on this select your sales data CSV file, and then I'm going to select the CSV file. And here is my dashboard, which is updated with all the charts and KPI cards. Now, to use this dashboard, as I said, it's more like an application, and I can upload the CSV again to the dashboard, and I can also refresh the dashboard and also save a snapshot to share it with others. And here we have the workbook that is the most important workbook in these 3 files, because this is the main data that we have shared with the Claude. But here we have this data, which is the actual calculation for the entire dashboard. So once you update your data, you just need to copy it from here, and then you go to the CSV file, paste it here, and then you go to your dashboard and simply upload it again, and it will update your dashboard again with all the updated values. Hey, thanks for watching this video, and make sure to download all these 3 files and the prompt that I have used from the link in the description. And make sure to tell me in the comment section if you're going to try to build this dashboard of your own. And I'll see you in the next video.